हेलो एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रिक फ्रॉम चैप्टर लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन। मैनी स्टूडेंट्स गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड इन मिरर फार्मूला एंड लेंस फार्मूला। 1/v प्लस 1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f या फिर 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f। गॉट कन्फ्यूज्ड वेदर टू यूज़ पॉजिटिव साइन और नेगेटिव साइन, इमेज लेफ्ट साइड बनेगी या राइट साइड। सो इस कन्फ्यूजन को दूर करने के लिए इस वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे रूल्स फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज बाय कनकेव मिरर। फर्स्ट रूल, a ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through the principal focus after reflection. As you can see in the figure, ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, so it will pass through the focus after reflection. A ray passing through the principal focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Next rule is, a ray of light passing through the center of curvature is reflected back along the same path. Next rule, a ray incident obliquely to the principal axis of a concave mirror is reflected obliquely, making equal angle. So as you can see in the table, the image formed is always real and inverted, except the case when the object is between P and F, the image formed is virtual and erect. When the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at focus and the size of the image is highly diminished. It is a point size and the nature of the image is real and inverted. When the object is placed at beyond focus, the image is formed between F and C. When the object is placed between C and F, the image is formed beyond C. When the object is placed at focus, the image is formed at infinity. And the last case is, when the object is placed between P and F, the image is formed behind the mirror and the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Next is convex mirror. Convex mirror always produces virtual and erect images. Look at the table. When the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed behind the mirror and the size of the image is highly diminished. When the object is placed between infinity and the pole P of the mirror, then the image is formed between P and F behind the mirror. Sign convention for spherical mirror. First point, all the distances are measured from the pole of the mirror as origin. The distance measured in the same direction as that of incident light is taken as positive, and the distance measured against the direction of incident light is taken as negative. So अगर हम राइट जाएंगे, राइट हैंड साइड जाएंगे तो इट इज़ टेकन एज पॉजिटिव, अगर हम लेफ्ट जाएंगे सो इट इज़ टेकन एज नेगेटिव. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, डिस्टेंसेज मेजर्ड अपवर्ड and perpendicular to the principal axis are taken as positive and the distance measured downward and perpendicular to the principal axis is taken as negative. So अगर हम ऊपर जाएंगे तो it is taken as positive, अगर हम नीचे जाएंगे so it is taken as negative. So don't get confused. Now coming to next topic, mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1/v plus 1/u is equal to 1/f, where v is equal to the image distance, u is the object distance, and f is the focal length of the mirror. So as you can see that in between there is a plus sign. 1/v plus 1/u is equal to 1/f. So don't get confused. Next is magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is the ratio of the height of image divided by height of object. So ऊपर क्या आएगा? hi, that is height of image. नीचे क्या आएगा? height of object. Magnification is also equal to minus v upon u, which is equal to negative of image distance divided by object distance. Now this is very important. Now we will see all the cases. If m is negative, then the image is real. अगर m जो है वो पॉजिटिव आता है, so the image is virtual. If hi is equal to ho, अगर हाइट ऑफ इमेज जो है वो हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट के इक्वल होगी तो उस केस में m की वैल्यू क्या निकलेगी? 1. सो उस केस में क्या होगा कि जो इमेज है वो ऑब्जेक्ट के इक्वल होगा. इफ़ hi इज़ ग्रेटर देन ho, अगर हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज़ ग्रेटर देन हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट तो उस केस में m क्या होगा? दैट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1. सो दैट इज़ इमेज जो होगी दैट इज़ इनलार्ज्ड. नेक्स्ट इज़, अगर हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज़ लेस देन हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट तो उस केस में m जो होगा दैट इज़ लेस देन 1. सो उस केस में जो इमेज फॉर्म्ड होगी दैट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल, इमेज इज़ डिमिनिश्ड. Magnification for plane mirror is always +1. plus indicates that it is a virtual image. 1 indicates that the image distance is equal to the object distance, or we can say that the height of the image is equal to height of the object. Okay, next case, if m is positive and less than 1, so it is a convex mirror. तो हमेशा याद रखना, अगर m जो है वो पॉजिटिव निकलता है and it is less than 1, so it is a convex mirror. And if m is positive and more than 1, then it is a concave mirror. If m is negative, then it is a concave mirror. Next topic is lens formula. So what is lens formula? 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So remember this formula. As you can see, there is a negative sign in between. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So don't confuse it with mirror formula. Now magnification. The formula of magnification is equal to height of image divided by height of object. And another formula is magnification is equal to v upon u. I hope all your doubts are cleared. आपके जितने भी doubts थे वो clear हो गए हैं. Still, if you want to ask anything, you can ask in the comment box. Hope you like this video.